Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to filming on the snow and the rainy. So first I tried to use the plastic and I went to shoot, so it was not good enough. So then I come back, I used this method, so which I'm going to show you now. So now I'm going to show you guys the best method to shoot in the snow and the rainy. Let's get started. So all you need is the tape and the blade and scissors. Okay, so that's why I'm going to put this orange bottle as a waterproof. Yeah, this is very good. So this is squid and the camera is squid, so that's what I'm going to do it now. So this is the best one. I tried with the plastic but it's not good, so this is very good. Okay, so since the camera is a little bit wide, horizontal like that, so you see this shape, it's like this way too, the same way, horizontal like this. Okay, so that's why this is perfect. So you see on the top of the bottle there's a little bit small hole here, so that's where lens coming from. Wet a little bit, make sure it's dry. Alright guys, so this is how I set up right now. You see, I put one tape right here on the back, so one I put the tape on the front right here, underneath right here. So you see, so this is the way lens come from. So when I record, I do like that. I just remove the tape from here, from the one side, hit the button right here, and then put the tape back. Alright, so I'm gonna go outside and shoot. Let's get it find out. Good morning guys, it's snowing. I'm going to go to outside to shoot. Woo! Good morning, Kenyo. Good morning. Good. Woo! Wow, look. Wow, this is what happened in New York. Big snow, big snow. Wow, I think this time is bigger than the last time, Yeah, this snow is way bigger than the last one. Wow. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Yeah, so this time is very, very dangerous to drive. Alright guys. Yeah, so this is the second time now in New York City. Yeah guys, very be careful to drive. Very be careful. Yeah, it's very dangerous. You know, when you drive in the snow, it's very dangerous. Hello. Good morning. Be careful. So there's only 2 cars coming now because everybody stay home. You see this guy. Ah, one more car here. All right. Ah, bus. NTA bus. Twenty 2021. Yeah, this guy is smart. Yeah, that's what you supposed to do like that. Yeah, that's what you supposed to do. Your wiper when there's snow. Yeah. I'm gonna go to one more block. See? Wow, very big. I think it's already 6 inches now. La 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 la. No 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 no. Na 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 na. You see, oh, that's good. God, coming here. Careful, guys. Yep. Ah, my goodness, it's windy now. Ooh. Ah, it's so windy. Yep, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home. Ah. I'm going to outside one more time. Yeah, this is perfect. So this time I'm gonna try with the plastic Yeah, this is way better than the before. The plastic is not good. So plastic bottle is very, very good. Yeah. Yeah, this looks very professional. So when you're crossing the street, very, very be careful, okay? You know, car cannot stop, so that's the problem. So don't trust the car, you know, even though there's a walking sign. So that's why don't trust other cars. So very be careful, okay? Especially this time. Very, very be careful. So you have to protect yourself, okay? So car try to stop, but sometimes it's not working. It slipped all the way. So that's why. Oh my gosh, look this is too much windy. You know, 20 minutes ago, I rode here 2021, but it's already gone. Oh, you see? This car is stuck. Yeah, this is Queens Boulevard. Woohoo! 아마 되게 정하나 공주 없어. 그 미즈 좀. 아이야. 다 이날 나고 브러쉬 하게 오네. 오. All right, I don't want to go far. It's really windy and very cold. Oh.